So what we're seeing here is the parts that you didn't have assembled in the assembly. So I just kind of put them together. So I constrain this to the origin and the bottom face. And then I had this one just be a face to here and a face to the bottom. So that way it just kind of slides in and out. There's no real constraints set. So if you wanted to, you could basically constrain this face to this face. And then we're going to call this one jaws equals 0. So that way when you open it up, it can basically be driven. So if you come down to the right here, you can drive that from, let's say, 0 to 10, and it'll go back and forth. So like if we put that at inches, it'll go out to 10 and then come back to there. So if we go into our parameters and we find our jaws, we click these two right here. Now if we go into our environments, into our Inventor Studio, and then from there you have your parameter favorites, and then you can select your jaws. And then right here under your animations favorites, you can then animate your parameters and say from 0 to, let's say, 10 inches over 5 seconds. So then you can play it and it'll go open to 10 seconds. So that's kind of how you animate that parameter. You could also go into here, and if you wanted this thing to swivel around at a known area, basically come down to we're going to do an angular constraint at a defined angle. So we're going to call this one angle equals 0. So that way if we go into our parameters, we have right here angle. So select those, go into our environments, our Inventor Studio, and then we go to our parameter favorites, select our angle. Now it's going to be in here too. So we have our angle. Let's animate that parameter, and let's go to 180 degrees from 5 seconds and specify that from 0 to 5 and hit OK. So if we actually expand our things, these things are going on at the same time. So if we press play, it rotates and opens at the same time. So hope that gets you going and helps you out.